Robust digital expert enthusiasts.
Welcome to Robust Digital Expert, your digital cafeteria, your career accelerator, and your future-proofing hub. This is not just another tech channel. This is where digital dreams become strategy, structure, and success. Are you hungry for growth? Craving real transformation? Then you are in the right place. From business analysis to project management, from data science to AI, from Scrum mastery to mindset mastery, from robotic process automation to business intelligence, from machine learning to digital transformation. We train, we mentor, we elevate, with zero tech snobbery and 100% hands-on value. No experience, no problem. Our doors are open to beginners, career switchers, returners, and ambitious dreamers. We make it practical. We make it personal. You do not just learn, you become. What we offer: live projects, digital internships, virtual mentoring academy, mastermind support groups, bursaries, subject to eligibility criteria, on-the-job support, real confidence, real CV results. And yes, we go beyond hard skills. You will get mindset rewiring, confidence coaching, clarity building, because true success starts from within. This is where self-belief meets skill set. This is where accountability meets opportunity. So, smash that subscribe button. Tap the bell so you never miss your moment. Your seat is ready. Your path is set. Let us build the digital future together. Check the description for your next step. Start today. Stay consistent. See results. Robust digital expert. Learn, transform, elevate.
The title of the playlist.
The Business Analyst Acronyms and Glossary.
The title of today's episode.
Record.
The table of content.
Table of contents. Definition. We start by providing a clear and concise definition of the acronym or glossary term, highlighting its significance in the field. Origin. We discuss the origin or source of the acronym or glossary term, providing relevant background information or historical context to help you understand how it emerged. Detailed explanation. Here, we offer a thorough explanation of the acronym or glossary term, breaking it down into its constituent parts and explaining the meaning behind each element. We elaborate on any specific terminology or concepts associated with the term. Relevance to the field. We explain why the acronym or glossary term is essential and relevant. We discuss how it addresses a specific need, solves a common challenge, or represents a key concept within the discipline. Usage. We describe how the acronym or glossary term is used in practice. We explain the scenarios or contexts in which it is commonly employed and how it contributes to the field. Examples of application. We provide two concrete examples that demonstrate the practical application of the acronym or glossary term. We explain how it is utilized in these scenarios and the benefits it brings. In summary, we summarize the acronym or glossary term, offering a brief and concise overview that allows you to understand it quickly.
Definition.
A record is a structured unit of information captured and stored for reference, operational use, analysis, or compliance purposes. In business analysis, a record typically represents a single instance of an entity, e.g., a customer, order, invoice, stored in a system or database, or a formal document maintained for audit and legal purposes.
Origin.
The concept of a record has roots in traditional record-keeping practices, where organizations maintained ledgers and documents for legal, financial, and operational tracking. With the advent of information systems and databases, the term evolved to represent data structures, particularly in relational databases, where a record corresponds to a role in a table. The discipline of records management formalizes practices for retaining, classifying, and disposing of records in accordance with regulatory requirements.
Detailed explanation.
Data record, system context, represents a single instance of an entity within a database, e.g., a customer record in a CRM system. It consists of fields, attributes, and is typically uniquely identified by a primary key. Business record, compliance context, refers to documents or data sets maintained to meet legal, regulatory, or operational standards, e.g., contracts, audit logs, financial statements. This may be stored electronically or physically. Record lifecycle management includes creation, classification, storage, access control, retention, archival, and disposal, all defined by organization policies and applicable laws. Metadata and traceability. Records often include metadata such as timestamps, author, version history, and audit trails to ensure integrity and traceability across processes.
Relevance to the field.
Traceability and accountability. Records enable tracking of decisions, changes, and transactions, which is essential for audits and stakeholder transparency. Data integrity and quality. Well-defined records contribute to clean data models and consistent reporting, critical to accurate analysis and decision-making. Compliance and risk management. Proper records management supports compliance with regulations like GDPR, SOX, HIPAA, and industry standards.
Usage.
Data modeling and requirements. Business analysts define what information a record should contain, attributes, how it relates to other records, and how it's used in business processes. Process documentation. Records are used to document events, e.g., incident records, change requests and provide evidence for audits or continuous improvement. Reporting and analytics. Records form the backbone of BI dashboards, KPI tracking, and trend analysis, enabling meaningful insights and decisions.
Examples of application.
Customer record in a CRM. A CRM system stores a customer record, including fields such as name, contact information, purchase history, and preferences. This supports sales, marketing, and customer service operations. Incident record in IT service management. An ITSM platform captures an incident record with details like incident ID, reported issue, affected system, owner, status, and resolution notes. This supports tracking, SLA compliance, and root cause analysis.
In summary,
a record is a fundamental unit of business and system information, representing either a structured data instance in a system or a formal document maintained for operational and regulatory needs. It underpins traceability, compliance, reporting, and decision-making, making it essential in business analysis for designing data models, documenting processes, and supporting organizational governance.
join the journey. Grow with us. Thank you for tuning in to Robust Digital Expert, where digital skills meet real transformation. Your time, your attention, and your support mean everything to us. You are not just a viewer, you are part of a movement that is redefining what it means to learn, grow, and succeed in the digital age. If you have not yet subscribed, now is the perfect moment. Subscribe to join a dynamic community where education meets innovation, and every episode is crafted to empower learners, leaders, switchers, and dreamers like you. By subscribing, you will unlock curated playlists built to accelerate your career, expert insights that demystify the tech world, mindset mastery content for real-life breakthroughs, hands-on digital training with real-world application. We want to hear from you. Drop your comments, share your thoughts, and suggest the topics you want us to tackle next. Your voice shapes the future of this platform. Be more than a viewer, be a contributor, be a digital transformer. Smash the like button. Share this with a friend or colleague. Stay engaged as we continue building a future-ready learning community. Join the Robust Digital Expert family today. Learn, transform, elevate. Your growth is our mission. Your success is our story. Thank you once again. We are just getting started, and we are glad to have you on the journey.